Dogecoin value equivalent to 3.75 rands a coin. The present cost range 3.5513.718. The earlier day close 3.404. The change was 0.429 137%. Converse rate ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at 482 rands. Exorbitant cost 545, while low cost 473. They found the middle value of cost 502. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 509, change for July 5.6%. Dogecoin conjecture for August 2024. Before all else, cost at 509 rands. Excessive cost 631, while low cost 509. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 560. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 590, change for August 15.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else, cost at 590 rands. Excessive cost 684, while low cost 590. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 626. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 639, change for September 83%. Dogecoin estimate for October 2024. First and foremost, cost at 639 rands. Exorbitant cost 667, while low cost 579. They found the middle value of cost 627. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 623, change for October 25%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost, cost at 623 rands. Exorbitant cost 623, while low cost 503. They found the middle value of cost 573. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 541, change for November 13.2%. Dogecoin estimate for December 2024. First and foremost, cost at 541 rands. Excessive cost 644, while low cost 541. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 582. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 602, change for December 11.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset, cost at 602 rands. Excessive cost 602, while low cost 494. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 557. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 531, change for January 11.8%. Dogecoin conjecture for February 2025. At the outset, cost at 531 rands. Exorbitant cost 552, while low cost 480. They found the middle value of cost 520. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 516, change for February 28%. Dogecoin cost expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 516 rands. Excessive cost 585, while low cost 509. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 539. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 547, change for spring 60%. Dogecoin figure for April 2025. Initially cost at 547 rands. Exorbitant cost 547, while low cost 472. They found the middle value of cost 518. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 507, change for April 7.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2025. At the outset, cost at 507 rands. Excessive cost 507, while low cost 423. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 473. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 455, change for May 10.3%. Dogecoin conjecture for June 2025. At the outset, cost at 455 rands. Exorbitant cost 565, while low cost 455. They found the middle value of cost 501. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 528, change for June 16%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2025. In the first place, cost at 528 rands. Exorbitant cost 574, while low cost 498. They found the middle value of cost 534. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 536, change for July 15%. Dogecoin gauge for August 2025. Before all else, cost at 536 rands. Excessive cost 583, while low cost 507. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 543. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 545, change for August 17%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2025. Before all else, cost at 545 rands. Excessive cost 676, while low cost 545. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6 zen. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 632, change for September 16%. Dogecoin gauge for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 632 rands. Exorbitant cost 721, while low cost 627. The found the middle value of cost 664. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 674, change for October 6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else, cost at 674 rands. Excessive cost 674, while low cost 582. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 639. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 626, change for November 1%. Dogecoin figure for December 2025. Initially cost at 626 rands. Excessive cost 701, while low cost 609. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 648. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 655, change for December 6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at 655 rands. Exorbitant cost 712, while low cost 618. The found the middle value of cost 663. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 665, change for January 15%. Dogecoin gauge for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 665 rands. Exorbitant cost 723, while low cost 629. The found the middle value of cost 673. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 676, change for February 17%. Dogecoin cost expectation for Walk 2026. Before all else, cost at 676 rands. Excessive cost 722, while low cost 628. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 675. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 675, change for spring 1%. Dogecoin conjecture for April 2026. Before all else, cost at 675 rands. Excessive cost 708, while low cost 616. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 665. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 662, change for April 19%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2026. In the first place, cost at 662 rands. Exorbitant cost 670, while low cost 582. The found the middle value of cost 635. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 626, change for May 4%. Dogecoin gauge for June 2026. In the first place, cost at 626 rands. Excessive cost 681, while low cost 591. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 634. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 636, change for June 6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2026. Before all else, cost at 636 rands. Excessive cost 691, while low cost 601. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 644. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 646, change for